Honda unveiled the latest addition to their utility vehicle lineup, the Honda WR-V, at the 2016 Sao Paulo Auto Show. Although it's based on the Honda Jazz, the WR-V features tough, unique design elements that give it a new look and help distance itself from the hatchback. The front end is given a bold and rugged look that comprises of large headlamps with LED DRLs, flanking a chrome solid wing bar and gloss black mesh grille, clamshell engine hood, new bumper with more sculpted features, black plastic cladding, full silver skid plate and fog lamps. The profile is where similarities between the WR-V and Jazz are close. The WR-V sits higher, has black plastic cladding across the wheel arches and side skirts, bigger wheels, and roof rails. The rear end borrows inspiration from the new CR-V as well as the Jazz, featuring a new bumper, extended reflectors beside the taillamps, repositioned number plate area and silver skid plate. Honda is yet to reveal the technical specification of the Honda WR-V, although it's likely to source the Honda Fit's 1.5 liters flex fuel LiveTech 4-cylinder engine paired with the 5-speed manual or CVT, which sends power to the front wheels. A media report expects the Honda WR-V to launch in India in March 2017.